Well, hello, and welcome back to Living Frugal and Prepping. Today, we're going to take a look at this. The good people at CVLIFE got a hold of me and asked me if I would like to review one of their products. And they told me to take a look at their catalog, and I did, and I picked this one out. And I think it's going to be pretty nice. Anyway, let's get this stuff out of the way first. Alright, well, before we get going, please like, share, subscribe. Anyway, let's crack this open. This is the 4x32 EG. You're going to be seeing it just along with me. Take a look at this, unbox it, see what we got inside, and then we'll go on from there. Definitely has some weight to it. Feels like it's probably going to be well built. They sure want to keep it protected. And there it is. And one of the reasons I picked this item is because I have a rifle that doesn't have iron sights. Oh. And I guess this doesn't have any instructions or information with it. New one to me. Anyway, it comes with 3 Allen wrenches, microfiber cleaning cloth, and a CR2032. So that's the battery that it takes. Now, like I said, one of the reasons I picked this to review is because I have a rifle. We'll be mounting it on there in a little bit. But I have a rifle that doesn't have iron sights on it. So it'll be nice to have the iron sights plus the optical. This is 4-time optical zoom. You do have your focus ring right back here, so you can focus it in for your eyesight. It's got a red, blue, and green reticle. It's also got a mount on this side and a mount on this side, so you can mount, say, a flashlight and a laser or what have you. It's got 3 different brightnesses for the optical, and that's on all 3 colors. It is very clear. Alright, well, let's I'll jump in right now, give you a quick 360 view of this on the Lazy Susan, and then we'll get the rifle out and get this mounted. Alright, this is the rifle I want to mount it on. As you can see, I got a scope on it right now. Let's see if we can get that off. There we go. Alright, well, this has just the normal screw things on here for attaching it. Seems to be some oil on here. Oh yes, that looks pretty on there. Let's see, as far as, oh yeah, oh that's perfect. Let me get a coin here and tighten these down a little bit. That looks pretty on there, doesn't it? See if I can get that all in there. Now the gap on the iron sights, I wish that was a little bit narrower. There's a pretty good sized leeway as far as windage goes between the uprights. Anyway, it definitely looks pretty on there. We'll get this out, do a little shooting, see how it performs for us. Stay tuned for that. I'll go ahead and throw in some pictures for you from the advertisement, and if you want to, you can stop, pause on those and look at it a little longer, and then we'll get back to you outside. Alright, well, we're out here. I got a target set up down range. Got another camera set up on it. Hopefully I can synchronize these so it doesn't look too off. Anyway, we're going to be shooting at the first, we're going to be using the open sights for the first round, or the iron sights. And we're going to be shooting at the top left corner. I think I already took it off safety. Yes, I did. Okay. Guess it helps if I cock it. We'll take 3 shots and then we'll go up there and see what it looks like. Alright, those were all at the top left corner. Let's go check it out. Alright, I see the iron sights are definitely going to have a lot of adjustments to them. Didn't even hit it. Okay. Let's go ahead and try the scope. Same target. Top left corner. So check that out. Nothing on the target except for at the very top. Got one that missed right in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and shoot at the main target and see how close we can get on that. That way we know where we have to adjust to. Let's go check that out now. I'm going to do a little adjusting off camera, and that way I don't have to waste so much time here. So we'll get right back to you when we dial this in a little closer. Well, the camera I had set up down there quit working. I don't know if it was just because of the heat. It's 100 and I think about 103, 104 out here today. But, oh, it's already cocked. But it kind of quit working. I got it kind of dialed in. I just got a tiny bit more to go. But we're going to go ahead and work on the bottom left and see how close we can come on that. Now, I got both cameras rolling again, so we'll see how that goes. I think I pulled that one a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and see how that looks. Oh yeah, that one went way low. I wonder if my CO2's going out. Let's go and check it out. I don't know why my CO2's going out though. I haven't really shot that much. But occasionally only one of those cylinders will puncture. Let's go ahead and try a couple. We'll try 3 rounds on the bottom right one, and then I'm going back in. It's just too darn hot out here for me. Okay, let's go check those ones out, and then we're gonna go back inside. It's just too hot. Alright, well, we got some footage on here. Those last three were high and to the right. So I think what happened was when I adjusted this, the other cartridge went ahead and pierced, and so it gave me more power. The other ones, the cartridge is getting low, so they shot low. Anyway, we're gonna go back inside. We'll catch you in there. I gotta get something cold to drink, and it's just damn hot. Well, my final thoughts behind the CVLIFE 432 EG. I like it. They've got us budget-minded people in mind. I took a few more shots after I filmed outside. I went back out, and I think one more time with the 3-round shot, and I should have this dialed in perfect. Do I recommend it? You bet I do. For the price, like I said, they've got us budget-minded people in mind when they created this. So my final thoughts is they get a thumbs up, and I would recommend them. Anyway, till next time, have a good day and stay prepared.